What's up, y'all? Hey, it's your boy Kelly B. I'm back with another one, man. Today, y'all, we just gonna do a follow-up on the cameras that I've been using. I've been using Insta360 cameras. I've been using the X5 here, which is an amazing camera. And we've been using the Ace Pro 2 right here. And I'm gonna talk to you about these different cameras and another camera that we're going to be adding to this collection right here. So we're going to get into the video right after this. Let's go. All right, y'all, let's talk about the X5, the Insta360 X5. This is an amazing camera, y'all. If you see some of the footage that I've been doing here lately with this camera and the views that I've been catching and just how wide the views go way outside the streets, and man, you see so much in the footage, man, till it's ridiculous. Just look at how the color is. I got it set up at 4K 30. This goes all the way up to 8K. If you didn't catch my video before, when I first got these, and a big shout out to Insta360 for stepping in your boy corner and sending these cameras out here. I'm gonna tell you, y'all, the amazing views that you can catch with this right here has been unbelievable, and I am enjoying these cameras right here. I'm still getting a little bit used to this one right here when I go to edit, which I'm pretty much there. So like I say, to edit with this, you can do some stuff within this right here and move stuff around in here. I mean, you can, whatever you want to see, you just move it around. And when you put it in your laptop, you definitely have to download the Insta360 app. Just go to Google, type in Insta360, go in there and download that app to your computer, and then download your footage in there, because even if you stick this SD card into your computer and you don't have that downloaded, you're not going to see this. So because you have to download that into that and edit it from there and do your keyframing. My daughter taught me how to do the keyframing, which was awesome, and now I got it down. So it's very easy. Even in the editing, when you put it on the computer, you just use your mouse or your finger on the pad and move it to what view you want it, and then keyframe it. I mean, and it's gonna be right there. Then you can let the video keep rolling through, and then if you see something else you want to see, or something on side the road you want to see, you just move it over and mash keyframe, hit that keyframe and post it right there, and it's just gonna, man, awesome. I'm glad to have this because I got some amazing rides coming up this year, and this camera here, like I said before, would have been awesome when I was in Colorado. Oh, this would have been an amazing camera here when I was in Colorado, cause in Colorado, going up Pikes Peak, you cannot take your eyes off the road, not even a second, y'all. You cannot do it. I tried it, and the feeling that I felt, no. But this here, just put it on your bike somewhere, wherever you keep your camera at on your bike, and this is gonna catch everything you need. I've been hearing some people say in the comments how they like this 360 action right here, and the action is beautiful, y'all. I mean, oh man, you can't ask for a better camera. And then if you in the market for a camera, I think this one right here would be the best bang for your buck. If you're not looking to get two cameras, or you can't afford two cameras, this one here would be the best bang for your bucks. And then all you got to do is get, like, right here, I got the Insta360 mic right here in this case, and you can just put that on there, put the mic in your helmet somewhere, or if you're just walking around somewhere, put that mic on you, walk around, talk, because you're going to stick that into here and put the little mic somewhere on your helmet or wherever, like I say, on your shirt. Let me show you the little mic, what I'm talking about. Let me show you that. This is it right here. That's the mic. This little thing sticks into the camera itself. This is a mic. It has a magnet as well, so you can post it up on your shirt anywhere. And get great audio, and the audio is really nice on here. So I was going to use it, but since I was doing this recording, I couldn't. I wanted to show it to you all. It comes with this goes over the mic right here, and put it right over the mic. You got to put it on here right, so that like right here you got a little button like thing. That's where it goes, right here on the side. So you put that right there where the mic will be at the top right here. You can see that, and where the wind won't catch it at all. And you just do it like that right there. That easy right there. And you have a magnet to go on the back of it just like that. Awesome, y'all. Just use that with this camera right here while you're riding. Like I say, just post it up. Get some 3M tape or something, a two-sided tape. Put it in your helmet if you're gonna do voiceover while you, not voiceover, you know, vlogging while you rolling like I do. So that would be awesome with this camera. But man, like I say, the best bang for your buck right here. You can use my discount code over there at Insta360, Kelly B, all capital letters, one word, and go get you one of these right here. I think you would love it. I had a couple of people after I did my first video. I had probably about maybe 3 or 4 people went and bought this camera, y'all. And if you have seen my footage, you will see what I'm talking about with this camera right here. And now we're gonna talk about this Ace Pro 2 right here. Y'all, I'm gonna unplug my mic. Let's go to my helmet. And one thing I like about it, you can just unhook it just like that. Just unsnap it right there. And I really like this camera. This little piece right here, I just got it off of Amazon so I can hardwire into my audio on my helmet. I didn't want to be dealing with, when I do long trips, dealing with trying to charge the battery up and stuff like that. So go check this out. You can get this off of Insta360 website. I will put the links down in the description. But this is my Ace Pro 2, and I got this little cage here on it right here. And I got this little cage off of Amazon. And y'all, if you can see my angles when I'm rolling from the helmet and how far it gets off the road, and the clarity of it is amazing. I use this one in 4K 32 as well. I just want to match everything up so the videos will look great. Man, and this big old screen on the back of it right here, you can see that, man. Just an amazing camera. And you can flip this up. Say if you're talking with someone and you just walking, you just want to talk, and put the camera up like this so y'all both can be in this frame right here. So yeah, it'll make it that much easier for you right there. And I love it, y'all. I love it. Easy touch screen on here. Everything is so easy. You can Bluetooth to this mic as well. Amazing. Ace Pro 2. I have the wind protection right here, so when you hear my audio, you don't hear all that wind going crazy. You do hear the bike, but you don't hear all that other unnecessary noise with this camera right here. So you make sure you go check out Insta360, because this Ace Pro 2, I'm so used to Ace Pro 2. I'm used to this Ace Pro 2 now. With this SD card, you can go ahead and download everything you need to your computer. You just put it in your slot here and start downloading. You do not have to use the Insta360 app with this. You do not have to use that. That's going to be already in there. But with this, you will. That's when you get ready to keyframe it, download everything. Then you're going to have to send it to a file, import it to a file. Then you move it over yourself as you need it. So yeah, that's the only thing about this one. Like I said, this one here, the X5, is gonna take a little time to get used to. And the battery life, y'all, oh my gosh. I went way from Rockwall area, actually, yeah, Rockwall, my house, all the way to Texarkana, Texas with this thing. And the battery was still way over a half a battery. That's about a 2-hour ride from my house to have that camera like that. If you're using some of these other cameras, it's not gonna last that long like that at all. And this camera as well lasts a long time. And I got these cameras set up pretty much like I had my other cameras, where you don't have to hit the power to power it on to start recording. You just hit the record button and it comes on. I don't think I have a battery in either one of these right now because I'm recording. Oh no, I do have a battery in there. You see that? I'm actually recording right now. Right now. You just hit that top and you see the front light in the front blinking, the red light. Automatically start recording, y'all. So yeah. So that's how easy that is right there. Oh man, but yeah. I like it, y'all. I like it. It's just that simple to hit that button and start recording. So yeah. But yeah, we got something else we're going to add to this right here to make my videos and amazing videos this year. I've been having this since Christmas, y'all, and I haven't even opened the box. Yes! I've been needing this, y'all. Y'all see the plastic? I got this for Christmas, y'all, and I haven't even opened the box yet, y'all. I haven't even opened it, y'all. This is, and I'm gonna really help the channel right here. I think you're gonna, I know you're gonna love the views that's coming from this, but we're gonna open it up. So, and this is it right here in the box. It's the drone itself. I'm definitely finna get out and start shooting some videos and actually trying to learn this, because I know this is a learning process right here. It came with one battery. Oh man, look at that, y'all. I'm excited about this right here. I'm not gonna open it all the way. I just wanna let you know that we're gonna have different views and angles coming to this channel here. And like I say, I've been crying about it, and it's time to do it. Hey, TD205, you told me, man, go ahead and get that drone out and get to work, y'all. And this is the controller here. This is the controller right here. I'm gonna get a screen protector to go on here. You can see that. See where the controllers are. Then you got the little control deals right here. You just pop them out of here, and they just screw right on here. Just take your time so you won't cross-thread it. And that's it, man. Just tighten it just a little bit, and that would be it right there, man. And like I say, I'm gonna get a screen protector on here, cause these drones cost a lot of money, and I'm not trying to get that all scratched up. I guess the battery is already in there, and it comes with the booklet, the charger. You got extra, I ain't gonna say wings, but whatever you call these things. You got some extra ones in here, so you got 4 extra ones. And I guess this is a little tube. Yeah, that's a little tube right here, I guess, to take it on and put it off. And you got the booklet. And I'm gonna sit around and learn this before I put it in the air, y'all. Before I put this board in the air. I'm not trying to put this in the air, and I don't know what I'm doing. I have been watching videos, so I think I pretty much got it down. One thing about me, I like tech stuff, man. I like working with stuff. A lot of people don't know. They see me driving trucks now, but a lot of people don't know that I am a certified Hewlett-Packard technician, working on Hewlett-Packard printers and copiers, all that. And I'm also certified with Dell with laptops and everything else. So yeah, man, I'm one of them dudes like that. So I know this right here won't be hard to learn, but man, look at this. I think you just pop these open here. So this is gonna be awesome with the hold on, I think you gotta open these first. So like I say, man, this is gonna be a learning process for me. It's definitely gonna be a learning process. Hold on. Okay. Let me see, man. I don't want to break nothing. Oh, do it go? Oh, there we go. There we go. They go downward and then up. Oh man, I feel so dumb. But yeah, the DJI Mini 3 right here, y'all. This is what we're gonna be using and catching great views with this boy. Oh man, let me get that off of there. That's the gimbal right there. Yeah, this is what it do right here. I can't wait to put this in the air, y'all. Cannot wait to put that in the air. Woo-wee. So yeah, I got a little bit to learn, a little bit of stuff to go over with this drone right here. I'm gonna make sure the battery is charged up, and we're gonna put that boy in the air. That's everything in the box. I'm definitely gonna purchase me another battery, because I heard the battery life is not that long on there at all. You know, about 30 minutes they say. So, but I'm not planning on leaving it in the air for no 30 minutes anyway. I'm not gonna sit still that long. But yeah, I'm liking it. I might have to call my boy Just GQ, TD205, Ride Fit Nation, all the people I know who got this drone that can give me some pointers. Cause, like I say, I want to make sure that this boy is right. So yeah, man. Y'all, and one more thing that I have right here too. I have a case right here as well. I have a case for my DJI drone, y'all. This is the case that I went with for my DJI drone right here. I didn't want to get it too big and gaudy. I like that right there, the way that feels, kind of like a hard plastic almost. And let me unzip it. Oh yeah, look at that. Then it has this little deal that goes over it so it won't scratch up, but I'm gonna put something over it. But yeah, and then it has a strap to come with it as well. So yeah, I've been having all this stuff, y'all. I've been procrastinating, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. We've been working hard at work, and we've been really rolling. And got my zipper here. You got room up here as well. Yeah. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description on this too. I got this off of Amazon as well. So yeah, and we're gonna get everything's popping. So yeah, but tomorrow, y'all, Saturday, tomorrow, we'll be at Al Lamb's Honda. Come and join us. I don't care what bike you ride, Can-Am, trike, Riker, come and join us. Goldwing, Indian, Harley, Suzuki, Kawasaki, come and join us. Sports bike, come and join us at Al Lamb's Honda. I'll put the address down here across the screen. We're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be giveaways, it's gonna be food. Come and join us and have an awesome time with us at Al Lamb's Honda. And I got more information for Twisted in Texas coming up too, so y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah, man, we plan on doing Twisted in Texas 3 big, man. So yeah, and stay tuned, and I will definitely give you more information on that. And I'm gonna give you more information on the rides that I got coming up. And yeah, I'm excited to get on the bike. But now I'm finna put all this up because I gotta go clean up the hook, get him ready for tomorrow to go up to Al Lamb's from 10 to 4 tomorrow morning, Saturday morning. Come up and join us, man. It's gonna be an amazing time. So yeah, but we're gonna end the video right here, and make sure you use my discount code. I will put the links down in the description that you can go get you one of these cameras, either one you want to get. I'm gonna put that in there, and we're gonna have an amazing time. So y'all, until the next time, baby, the next grind, y'all ride safe. It's riding season. Let's do this, man. I love y'all. Appreciate you coming on and subscribing to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you click that like, share, and subscribe button for me. I would greatly appreciate it, man. The channel is growing. We almost at 10K. Yay! Let's go, baby. We out, baby. Peace. Love y'all. Jelly.